Okay, today we are going to see the third program. The program it is asking us uh, write a Java program to read two integers a and b and compute a divided by and print the result. You have to print the result when b is not equals to 0. If the b is equals to 0, then we need to raise a exception. So already we have seen how to catch the exceptions in Java. So by using try and catch block. So today we'll see how it can be used in your program. So I just created a class called test exception, and I am taken three variables, that integers, because program asked us to read two integers a divided by b. Okay, so the scanner class help us to take the input from the user. So I have created the instance, means object of a scanner pointing to this SC reference. So I just asked enter the value of a and b. Then the result is stored in your result is stored in the variable c, but we are putting it into your try block. Why? Because whenever user gives the value of b to 0, if b is equals to 0, then we will raise an exception. So it is something like we will usually do it in if and else case, where we will check if b is not equals to 0, then divide. But you don't need to do it in Java, you just put it into a try and catch block. So whenever a value of b is equals to 0, then it will raise an exception. So that exception is called as arithmetic exception. So arithmetic exception is one which is raised, and it will print divide by 0 exception is raised. Then you will come back and see the value of b should not be equals to 0. So we will just print what exception has occurred. Exception occurred is, I'll just print in your variable. So that variable which we have used, you can give any variable name, but this is the class which actually catches arithmetic exception. Okay, just we'll run this code. Yes, so give the value of a and b. So I'll just given 20, b value is 5. So value of c is 4, because there is no exception, because b is 5, value of b. Then again I'll just rerun this program, and I will just enter 20, but this time value of b is 0. If you give b value 0, then exception has occurred. So exception has occurred, that is java.lang arithmetic exception is a class. Which exception? Divide by 0. Anyhow, you can give value of a 0, that is not an issue. So value of a is 0, but b value is 5. So if you give, value of c becomes 0, because we have only the arithmetic exception is like numerator divided by denominator. So that if b value is 0, then only the exception is raised. Thank you.